Bloktopia fans can finally be among the first to enter the game's Metaverse. Bloktopians will be able to take part in the Bloktopia Alpha and be among the first to look at the world of Bloktopia. Players will be able to explore Bloktopia from third and first-person perspectives, earn block through play-to-earn games, and so much more. Watch ahead to know more about the latest Alpha update. Hello guys, and welcome back to Future World. In today's video, we'll get you the latest updates and specifics of the latest Alpha update for Bloktopia Metaverse. The most recent upgrades to the Bloktopia Alpha version have just been released. This Alpha is meant to be the first of many releases, each of which will incorporate community feedback and lead to a complete commercial release. Bloktopians will have a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to play the Bloktopia Alpha version and be among the first to experience a Bloktopia Metaverse. Bloktopia Alpha version can be viewed from a first-person or third-person perspective, and players can interact with games, visit NFT exhibits, and browse virtual storefronts to see what tenants will bring to Bloktopia. Bloktopia Alpha Metaverse, which premiered on February 15, 2022, is the first working and playable display of what is to come in 2022. The Bloktopia community was able to participate in the Bloktopia Alpha version of its Metaverse starting February 15th. Through a public interest forum, the Bloktopia community was able to apply for access, and selected individuals have now been picked. Bloktopia Alpha will be brought out in stages over the following days and weeks to ensure the best possible experience for its partners and community. Bloktopia's Level 1 will house the Bloktopia Metaverse's inaugural user experience. Before Bloktopia goes commercial, it'll be critical to obtain user input so that future updates are based on what the consumers want. Bloktopia and the broader tech community recognize that testing the game and offering input on user experience typically entails detecting and reporting software defects or bugs. Bloktopia believes that this test is important in order to give the greatest possible user experience to their partners and community. To achieve a high-quality product, Bloktopia Alpha will solicit input and comments from community members who will participate. It's critical to perform a comprehensive assessment and obtain feedback before releasing a new product to the market. Bloktopia, as a future one-stop metaverse for all things crypto, may greatly benefit from this testing procedure. The play-to-earn game B-Cubes is fundamental to the Bloktopia Alpha version. When playing the game in the Bloktopia Metaverse, users will have a better understanding of the controls and orientation. This is only a taste of what Bloktopia might become in the future. B-Cubes will be hidden in shops, on rafters, and around areas of interest throughout Level 1 of Bloktopia, allowing customers to experience the play-to-earn idea. The B-Cube will be placed in such a way that users can explore Level 1 while looking for hints. By strolling up to them or dashing towards them, you can collect B-Cube. Each B-Cube reveals a letter that will be combined with build a word or phrase. There'll be a total of 12 B-Cubes to locate inside Level 1 of the Bloktopia Alpha version. Players can attempt to solve the word or phrase once they've collected all 12 B-Cubes. Players must collect all 12 B-Cubes within the time limit to win a share of the big reward. The application forum was scrutinized, and Alpha users were chosen based on their responses. Anyone who applied to be in the Alpha interest list should check their email inbox in the coming days to see if their application was successful. A one-time link will be emailed to the users who have been chosen. They're only allowed to enter Bloktopia once. It's not possible to share the link with others because it can only be used once. There's a time limit on how long you can stay on the platform as well. The user's progress will be reset if they refresh their browser, but their time limit will continue to run in the background. Reblock is a method of purchasing real estate in Bloktopia. Famous YouTuber Jake Paul purchased 100 Reblock in order to construct his own home in the world's most popular metaverse. Jake Paul is a well-known public figure, businessman, entertainer, and boxer. With over 7 billion views across his digitally owned and controlled channels, the media magnate and investor is in the top 5 in the world. According to him, Bloktopia Metaverse is a fantastic investment opportunity and choose to put his money into it. Also, we're going to be updating the prediction of Bloktopia for 2022 really soon, so stay tuned and drop this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and push the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our channel. See you soon!